Legally Speaking with Crocker Law Firm.
Kentucky law requires that every driver out there on the road have car insurance. But Cyndi, do you find that some drivers just simply don't have it?
I do. I mean, even though it is illegal to drive without car insurance, people do it. And I have a lot of clients, unfortunately, who've been hit by somebody uninsured. A lot of times that isn't even clear in the beginning because people start out with insurance, but then they stop paying and it lapses. So even though they've been able to show the police officer an insurance card, when I contact the insurance company, I sometimes find out that that policy has lapsed.
So what happens if I'm in a wreck, I'm hurt, and the person who hit me doesn't have any insurance?
Well, fortunately in Kentucky, we have what's called uninsured motorist coverage. And this is insurance you can buy that will basically stand in the shoes of the person who's at fault and pay the medical bills and wage loss and pain and suffering that would have been paid by the at-fault party.
And so this is coverage then that we'll find, say, on our own vehicle.
Well, it has to be offered to you when they sell you insurance. So if you don't reject it, you're going to have it. And my advice to people is don't reject it. So if you have it on your vehicle, even if you're not in your vehicle, if I'm in your vehicle, I might have the benefit of my own uninsured motorist coverage. And also I might have the benefit of your uninsured motorist coverage because I'm in your vehicle. And interestingly, uninsured motorist coverage is one of the few instances where insurance can stack. And by that I mean I might get both policies. So sometimes someone will come to me and they'll say, look, I've been hit by somebody, there's no insurance, I'm sure there's nothing you can do. And what they don't realize is there might be many things that we can do. We can turn to several policies.
All right, so it sounds like a lot of research goes into something like this because there's so many places to look.
You never want to give up until someone who knows what they're doing has looked at all the available insurance.
All right, join us next time for Legally Speaking.